So in this question, we are asked to prove that the left-hand side is equal to 2 cosec theta. So let us get started. We are given that root of 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta plus root of 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec theta. Now, first of all, we have to simplify the left-hand side. Recall that from solve, if I have root of a divided by b, this can be expressed as root a divided by root b. So from the left-hand side, we can have this to become root 1 plus sine theta divided by root of 1 minus sine theta plus root of 1 minus sine theta divided by root of 1 plus sine theta. So we have to show that this is equal to 2 sec theta. Now at this point, the next thing we do is that we have to take LCM. And the LCM of the left-hand side is a product of the denominator. So therefore, the LCM becomes root of 1 minus sine theta multiplied by root of 1 plus sine theta. Now, if the LCM divides this denominator here, we'll be left with root of 1 plus sine theta multiplied by root of 1 plus sine theta. Also, if the LCM here is divided by this denominator here, we'll be left with root of 1 minus sine theta multiplied by root of 1 minus sine theta. From solve, if we have root of a times root of b, this can be expressed as root of ab. So we apply this rule at the numerator and also at the denominator. So we have that this becomes root of 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 plus sine theta plus root of 1 minus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta, all divided by, we have root of 1 minus sine theta multiplied by 1 plus sine theta. So also recall that if I have root of a times a, this is equal to root of x squared, and square will cancel out the root, so I will left with a. So therefore, at the numerator here, this becomes root of 1 plus sine theta all squared plus root of 1 minus sine theta all squared divided by, now the denominator is a difference of 2 squared, so it is giving us root of 1 minus sine squared theta. We obtain this by expanding this bracket. So don't forget that we have to show that this is equal to 2 sec theta. So at this point, square will cancel out the root and square will cancel out the root. So therefore, at the numerator, we are left with 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta divided by root of 1 minus sine squared theta. So minus sine theta, we cancel out plus sine theta. So therefore, we'll be left with 2 divided by root of 1 minus sine squared theta. and this is equal to 2 sec theta. But looking at the denominator from Trig identity, we know that cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sine squared theta. So therefore, we have it that this is 2 divided by cos theta equal to 2 sec theta. Now the left-hand side can now be expressed as 2 times 1 divided by cos theta, and this is equal to 2 sec theta. Now recall that the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, so therefore we have shown the left-hand side, which is 2 sec theta, is equal to the right-hand side, which is 2 sec theta. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video, and for us to reach out to more audience, please help us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.